Whoa, buddy! I'm using the AI glasses to record this video for the first time. Let's see how well it does in a low light environment. So, this is my 2005 Explorer Sport Trac, and those are my headlights. They're not very good, especially now that it's getting really dark. So I'm going to upgrade them to this. Take this out here. These Terminator LED headlights that are CAN bus safe that I got on Amazon. So first things first, let's go ahead and pop the hood. I'll just put this guy up here for now. It's supposed to be a pretty straightforward install. Got my lights here. Do almost all my repairs in the parking garage. Just makes life easier. Here we go. Alrighty. Oh, look at that. I need new hood struts. I guess that's another video. I hope it doesn't close on my head. So I'm supposed to just pull this up. And pull this up. There we go. And just let me grab a piece of wood. Ooh, that was scary. Note to self, buy some new hood struts. I guess that'll work for now. Wow, that was terrifying. Should be alright. So, these two are out. I'm supposed to just pull it out now. Should come right out. Oh yeah. We have that out. This is a little stuck. I'm going to try to do some finessing here. There we go. I think this has just become really annoying. Nice. I got something down there. There we go. I'm just going to go ahead and remove this screw. Yeah, that should probably give me the room I'm looking for here. There we go. Pop that out. Pop this guy out. Got this last guy down here. There it is. Alright, not too bad. Where do I put this so I don't lose it? Put it right here. Nice and easy. So, this is our main light bulb. We're going to go ahead and very carefully remove. Oh, look, it's already snapped in half. I don't know if that's factory or not. Probably not. And then probably just turn this. There's a retaining clip, and that pulls out. And here we are. So let's grab the new one. Oh, Terminator LED light. Very cool. Comes with a pair of gloves. I don't think will fit me though. I guess it's some gloves for ants. There's a little message saying that if it causes any problems, I might need to get a decoder, which hopefully I won't need on this car because it's so old. And I think yep, that looks right. So let's see if this all works. Will it fit here? Ooh, this looks serious, dude. Alright, looks like it fits pretty well. Gotta rotate it here. Okay, there we go. Fits just like that. Put this retaining nut thing on here. And then I'm going to go ahead, just clip it in. Just got to be careful. Got really old wires here. Okay. Just going to go ahead, put this in here. Just always careful with old stuff. There we go. Nice. Alrighty. I could always pop all this stuff out. There it is. Nice and aligned. Align this guy right here. Beautiful. Am I in? I'm in. Not a huge fan of that. That ain't right. That. Oh, that is right. Ha! That's just how this is? That's so funny. Okay, yeah, there's a giant freaking gap here. And it moves around. Oh, that's pretty funny. Way to go forward, I guess. Let me get this tighter. I guess the engineers were thinking, oh, as you drive, it'll just stay there. What? No way. This is a lot tighter. Maybe there's something I did wrong here. All right, let's check it out. Nice! Huge. High beam and low beam. I'm so happy right now. That works beautifully. And I don't have any lights on the dash, which is the most important thing. Excellent. Well, that's how you do it. Super easy. Thanks for watching.